Hello everyone, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So India is going to celebrate 75 years of independence on 15th August 2022. So on account of that, I am dedicating this video to all the human beings including freedom fighters, farmers, the defense forces of India and also the citizens of India who dedicated their lives for India's independence. Happy Independence Day to everyone. So without wasting any further moment, let's get started. Okay, so this video is going to be really exciting. Do watch it till the end. Again, I am using Fevicryl molded clay here. मतलब मुझे ना इस clay से प्यार हो गया है. It's so multi-purpose. We'll mix these two compounds very nicely with one another and then start making such circles. So these circles are going to be the heads of our dolls. Yes. Making dolls here. You all really appreciated my last DIY clay dolls video and hence thought that this will be perfect for Independence Day.
Why so?
Keep watching for that. Coming back, I'll attach a toothpick in them so that the body parts won't fall off. Moving towards making their bodies. A simple cylindrical body just like the last one. We'll smooth the surface using water. After the body is done, I'll make their hands as well. These are going to be long cylindrical hands. I won't add much detailing to it cause बहुत कुछ होने वाला है in this video. So I want to keep it as simple as possible. I'll then attach the hands using Fevicol and I also added cute little legs, actually foot to the doll. And then we'll again keep smoothing the surface using water. Well, keep using powder so that the clay won't stick to your hands. Okay, 2 down, more 2 to go. So following the same steps, making their circular head and attaching the body using toothpick. And then making their hands as well. So for this one, I will also give him a cap. Small and round cap. Attach it over his head using Fevicol and then smoothen the surface using water. For the last one, I will make his body a little circular than being cylindrical like others. Rest all will remain the same. Well, one thing. For this, I will also make his hair in shikha. And I will also add a sacred thread around his body. Because he is a Hindu doll, so I guess you must have got an idea what I'm actually doing here. I am creating Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian doll to portray the diverse culture and at the same time equality in India. So to make them look such, I will keep adding small details such as a cross necklace for the Christian, a turban for the Sikh doll. Notice here that I am not using any advanced sculpture tools. I am making these with the help of everyday tools such as scale, toothpick, knife, scissors, etc. So no one can stop you from creating what you want. Coming back, after I think everything is done and added, I'll let them dry for a day. So this is how our 4 dolls look like. And now, it's
Gesso time!
Applying gesso to give a fresh and bright layers of paint. Well, you can also use white acrylic paint here. It's all up to your choice. Applied gesso from both the sides and hence they are now ready to paint on. Using acrylic paints here. Watercolors and poster colors won't work here because they may fade off and get washed pretty easily as compared to the acrylic ones. So starting with the painting, a plain blue kurta and red turban for the Sikh doll. And gradually I will keep applying skin tones to all my dolls. Well, pretty easy process. By the way, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done it yet, do it right away. Also, do like the video and share it with at least one friend. And comment down if you loved my today's idea or not. I will be pleased and will feel motivated to upload more such videos after reading your comments. Coming back for the Christian doll, I kept its clothes plain white, and for the Muslim doll, I painted a green shirt and blue izar with checked patterns. Well, izar is a printed cloth worn by them. So, trying to paint even such small details to diversify and portray the rich culture India has. Well, this Independence Day is really special because, as mentioned earlier, India is completing its 75 years of independence. Well, a huge salute to the ones who sacrificed their life for India, not only to the famous freedom fighters but also to those whose names are unheard and unsung. A salute to even those who make India proud, such as the sportsmen and even the businessmen of India. Proud to be in a country with such amazing talent and diversified culture. Okay, moving further. For this Hindu doll, I will paint a saffron colored dhoti and will also add drapes to it with a darker shade. Slowly and gradually will now I move towards their faces. Well, pay attention to different designs of beard I am creating. Like for the Christian doll, I went with a French beard, and for the Sardarji, a normal one. They should look different, right? Then, painting their simple, big, beautiful eyes and a broad white smile. I will give a final touch up by outlining with black. After the paint is dried completely, finally I will apply a coat of varnish so that they remain safe. So, yeah, it's done. Aren't they looking adorable? Small and cute little ones.
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हम वतन हम नाम है.
Happy Independence Day once again, and thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.